In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a language dictionary in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean searchable database that helps you learn and review vocabulary with ease. Start by creating a new page in your Notion workspace. Inside that page, type /table and choose Table View Inline, sometimes shown as Database Inline. An inline table keeps everything on the same page so your notes and your dictionary can live together. Give your table a clear name like My Language Dictionary so it's easy to find later. Next, let's configure the database properties so each entry is useful. Your name column will hold the word in the language you are learning. Add a new text property for definition or translation in your native language. Create a select property called Part of Speech and add options like noun, verb, and adjective. If you are studying more than one language, add another select property called Language to keep entries separated by language. Add a text property named Example Sentence so you can see the word in context, which really helps retention. Finally, add a select or status property called Proficiency with levels such as Learning, Familiar, and Mastered. Keeping these options consistent makes filtering and sorting more powerful later. Now begin adding content. Type a new word in the name column. Then fill in its translation, part of speech, language, an example sentence, and your current proficiency. As your list grows, create custom views to focus your study. Add a new view and name it Quiz to practice recall. In this view, hide the definition or translation column using the properties toggle so you can test yourself and reveal it only when you are ready. You can also create a verbs-only view by adding a filter where part of speech is verb, giving you a targeted study list. To keep everything tidy, set a sort on the name column in ascending order so your entries appear alphabetically. To streamline future entries, use a page template. Inside the database, click the arrow next to the blue New button and select New Template. In the template, pre-fill helpful prompts like definition here and example sentence here. And keep part of speech and proficiency ready to select. From now on, whenever you click New and choose your template, your entry form will be consistent and fast. That's it. You've built a practical language dictionary in Notion that's easy to expand, search, and review. Thanks for watching and happy learning.